Earning money by selling affiliate products or services is not only possible, but it can be highly lucrative and there are many aspects you should consider. But if you want to become a super affiliate and make a steady stream of income from the affiliate business model, you need to do it in the right way. The purpose of this video is twofold. First of all, I want you to understand the right way to do affiliate business in 2023 by even sharing what not to do. Secondly, I want to share my 5-step recipe that I would follow if I decided to start a business 100% based on affiliate products and services. Let's start this exciting path together. My name is Max Cecco and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. First thing first, let's see what not to focus your attention on, or to better say, the wrong way to run an affiliate business. Mistake number 1. Selling shit products from China. Please, do not sell cheap products from China for these 3 main reasons. Reason number 1. You will not create a very profitable and long-term business because if you sell shit products from China, it is only for one single reason: to make money. Reason number 2. You will not be able to scale your business due to advertising costs. Not enough profit margin to invest in advertising. Reason number 3. You will not put your face in front of a camera to sell stupid products that don't work. Mistake number 2. Selling one single product. This is one of the biggest mistakes most beginners make when selling affiliate products. When you sell anything, especially online, you have to conquer the client's trust. The first transition is the hardest, and obviously, if you sell stupid products, no one will buy anything from you in the future. But if you sell good products and services, many clients will love to do business with you again and again. I want you to learn this concept by heart. Today, people buy people first and then products and services. If you think of an affiliate business as a monetary transaction without developing a strong relationship with your prospects and clients, you will lose in this business game. And after highlighting what I consider 2 huge mistakes people make when it comes to selling affiliate products or services, let's see what to do to become successful. This is my 5-step recipe to start an affiliate business in 2023 and in the coming years. Step number 1. Choose your category, your niche. You should not sell anything to anyone. You have to identify a niche you love speaking about and have knowledge or expertise in, or a niche you are eager to learn more about. By choosing a niche that you are familiar with, it becomes easier to promote the products effectively, as you are able to share your personal experience and provide valuable insights. Furthermore, focusing on a specific niche helps you establish yourself as an authority in that area, which can help you attract more visitors and build a loyal following. When selecting a niche, consider factors such as market demand, competition, and potential profit margins to ensure that is a viable option for your affiliate business. Remember these words: if you are for everyone, you are for nobody. Period. Step number 2. Create your personal brand. Even if you sell other people's products or services, you should focus your energies on creating your personal brand by sharing your knowledge and experience on social networks. As I told you minutes ago, people fall in love with you first and then they buy what you offer to them. Your mindset in every business should be something like this: I'm in business to help people solve their problems. I'm in business to provide solutions to my followers. I'm in business for the long term and not only to make money. Starting to create content is an essential aspect of an affiliate business. Content such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts can help you promote your affiliate products and reach a wider audience. When creating content, it is important to focus on providing valuable information and reviews about your promoting products. These will help build trust with your audience and encourage them to make a purchase. It is also important to include affiliate links in your content so that people can easily purchase the products you are promoting. And to maximize your earnings, aim to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and showcases the benefits of the products you are promoting. Step number 3. Researching affiliate programs. Researching affiliate programs is a crucial step in starting an affiliate business. This involves finding affiliate programs related to your chosen niche and offering products or services that you can promote. There are a variety of ways to find affiliate programs, including searching online or reaching out to the company directly. When researching affiliate programs, it is essential to consider factors such as commission rates, the product or service being offered, and the company's reputation. By finding the right affiliate programs to join, you can ensure that you are promoting products or services that are in demand and have the potential to generate substantial earnings. I suggest finding a company with a good reputation and promoting products or services you believe in. If you really believe in something, you will be more than willing even to put your face in front of your audience, and I can assure you that selling stuff will be easier and quicker. Step number 4. Create your email list. Email list represents the traffic you possess. No one can ban you or stop you from communicating with your subscribers, giving them value and selling them stuff. Period. Do not sell affiliate products by sending your subscribers directly to the sales letter of the vendor, but invite them to subscribe to your email list first to give them value. The key is always to establish a relationship with your prospects and clients. In addition, when you develop a database of potential customers and clients, no one can stop you from selling your digital products or services, even if you don't have any of them at the moment. You can always create them later on. Step number 5. Create additional bonuses. This step is very important to understand. Let me explain the psychology behind it. When you sell affiliate products or services, the stuff is the same for all the affiliates. This is why it is imperative to develop a relationship with your potential clients first, and then create additional bonuses you can deliver to your clients once they purchase the stuff you recommend using your affiliate link. Additional bonuses are a way to ethically persuade your subscribers to do business with you by giving them value that they could not receive in other ways. You become unique thanks to this additional value. That's it. Running a profitable affiliate business requires developing the most critical digital marketing skills. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur, I can definitely help you. You can subscribe right now to the wait list of my Freedom Business Blueprint, a special program I'm going to release in March 2023, in which I teach you the most high-paid digital marketing skills to create even a 7-figure business. I put the link to the subscription page in the description below. In the meantime, I highly recommend learning the most important digital marketing skill ever: copywriting, how to sell anything with the written word. I urge you to watch this video. What is copywriting? What exactly do copywriters do? 3 copywriting tips for beginners. Enjoy this video!